Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than many cars on the highway. When we sneeze, our body is trying to expel irritants from our nose or throat. This explosive release includes tiny droplets that can carry germs. In fact, a single sneeze can release around 40,000 droplets into the air. It's like a mini fireworks display, but with less celebration and more caution. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose and prepare for liftoff, remember, it's not just a mere sneeze, it's an airborne adventure.